So I learned this little s'more trick on Facebook Reels, and I decided I'm going to try it tonight. You'll be needing Lindor chocolate, marshmallow fluff. Sorry, I've never made marshmallows really before, and graham crackers. You'll just be putting the round little chocolates on the pointers. And you just take it and you dip it in. Now we're gonna put it over the fire. Is good? So we had some hard times 2 marshmallows later, and I didn't catch putting it in the graham crackers. So technically you just take your little fork things, I don't know what you call them, and you put it on the graham cracker and you put the other one on top and you squeeze it out, and you have a really nice chocolatey Lindor graham s'more cracker thing. Taste test. Very rich.